Hello, it's Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we're working on B4, compare and order integers. Before we get started today, we're going to take a look at some notes, which is going to make us very successful today. So taking a look at our notes on the right side of the screen here, we have 4 inequality symbols that are posted here. So when we refer to the definition as less than, that refers to the number that would be on the left side of the inequality symbol here. So less than means the number on the left here is smaller than the number on the right. The next definition here of greater than, the number on the left will be larger than the number on the right. And in the event it's less than or equal to, the number on the left side is the number that it's either less or equal to the number on the right side. And finally, greater than or equal to, same thing on the left side. That number is greater than or equal to the number that is on the right side. Now, the one symbol that's not here is the equal sign. Equal sign you should be familiar with. Equal means both sides are exactly the same. All right, let's go ahead and take those definitions and get started for today and see how this works out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to compare the numbers. We're going to pick the correct sign. -2 and -2 compare together. Well, -2 and -2 are the same exact numbers. They're equal. So we're going to pick equal on this one. All right, 12 points right off the bat. Loving it so far. -10 compared to -10 are also equal. They are the same exact number. All right, we got a little bit of change. We got -1 compared to -7. Now, again, think of money. Which one is larger? And if you said -1 is larger, you're correct, because -1 is larger than -7. So when it comes to money, I'd rather only owe $1 compare owing $7. So therefore, the greater than will take effect on this one. All right, we're going to compare the two numbers here. We got -9 compared to -10. So again, which one is the larger number here? Keep in mind, they're both negative. And if you said -9 is greater than, you're absolutely correct. -9 is a larger number compared to -10. And compare the numbers, pick the correct sign. We're going to compare 3 to 0. Well, that one's pretty straightforward. 3 is definitely larger than 0. So that is greater than. Compare the numbers, pick the correct sign. So we are looking for the larger number. And because they're both negative, in theory, you want to pick the smaller number, because the bigger the negative number, the smaller the number actually really is. So would you rather owe $90 or would you rather owe -$76? Thinking about it, -76 is larger, so we want to pick -90 being less than, this is the less than symbol, than -76. All right, smart score 54, rolling right along. Compare the numbers, pick the correct sign. Looking for the larger number, we got -7 compared to -83. Well, -67 is larger than -83. So again, the bigger the negative number is, the smaller the number actually is in reality. All right, compare the numbers. Well, would you rather owe or would you rather not owe? So I'd rather pick 0 as a larger number, because that is a larger number compared to -86. All right, now we're going to put them in order for least to greatest. Looks like we can just go ahead and grab our numbers here. So that's nice. So just in case you're wondering what to do, just grab the number and shuffle it around. All right. From least to greatest, least means from the left side. So -46 is the smallest number, and it's the only negative number that there is. So just put down the left side by itself. Now 8 makes sense to land it between -46 and 28, because now we're counting up, right? -46 is smaller and goes up to 8. And positive 28 is bigger than 8. All right, all negative numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the largest number towards the left side, because the largest negative number is actually the smallest number, because they're negative. It's like owing, right? So if you take a look at the numbers here, it looks like they're in exact wrong order. So we're going to put -9 on that side, -25 right there. So on a number line, counting to the left makes sense that the numbers increase in negative value, which means the numbers get smaller. So -9, then the -25, and 75. All right, 74 smart score. 6 is the only positive number, so the positive number must go towards the right side. Now, it is a shuffle between the -6 and -7 if those are in the correct order. Remember, as the number is larger with the negative sign, it is a smaller number, so -7 will go to the far left in this case. All right, last question. We're at 78. We'll use 0 as the origin because it's the center of everything. So all positive numbers should make sense to go on the right side. All negative numbers should make sense to go on the left side. Since 4 is on the right side of 0 by itself, we know that's in the right place. Now we got to check the -5 and the -10. I just randomly place them there. So 0 to -5 looks pretty good. -5 to -10. -10 is a smaller number compared to -5, and -5 is a smaller number compared to 0. So these are now happen to be in the right order. All right, this was an excellent IXL. We're now at 82. Thank you and have a fabulous day.